Bayethe wena maphakathi. The city's transformation over the past 40 years can be summarized into 4 pillars: urban development, planning transformation. Through His Majesty King Mswati III's visionary leadership, Manzini was declared a city in 1992. A strategic move which culminated in the introduction of modern urban development frameworks to guide the city's development. These include the city's first town planning scheme, which was developed in 1994, followed by the second town planning scheme, which was looked into in 2013 and 2024. Development of the Manzini's first strategic plan, integrated development plan, which was done in 2013, which was reviewed again in 2019 and 2024. These developments, which are developed through extensive consultation with stakeholders, shape the city's development through vision setup, planning policies, and strategic standards to improve investments within the city. These frameworks, the city has managed to attract major developments, which include 7 medium-large shopping malls, which is the Bunu Mall, Riverstone Mall, Junction Mall, Manzini Lifestyle Center, Hub Shopping Center, Gwane Park Shopping Center, Kado Square Shopping Center, 5 commercial banks which are within the city. The city also houses a 3-star hotel. Other corporate entities have their regional offices within Manzini, the head offices of other organizations, which include the Eswatini National Provident Fund and Eswatini Electricity Company's regional offices. The Dupes Mall, SNAT offices, NAMPOD offices, and the newly constructed Eswatini Royal Insurance Corporation building. Infrastructure developments have been through the inspiration of His Majesty's call for transformation of Eswatini into a first world country. The municipality, with the collaboration of Eswatini government and development partners, have facilitated development of basic infrastructure aimed at enabling business growth and enhancing livability within the city. Some of these key infrastructure development highlights are as follows: the improvement of the city's surface road networks from 40 kilometers to 72 kilometers. Constructed roads during the past 40-year period have been Ten Street in the city center, D98 Road in Ngwane Park, the Central Distributor Road, the Northern Distributor Road in Fairview, the Southern Distributor Road in Wilmer Park, Menji Street in the CBD. The city is also illuminated with 113 high mast lights and 148 street lights for improved safety. Development of Lamvelase Health Center through the collaboration with the AIDS Healthcare Foundation, AHF. The community development, the city has implemented various programs aimed at enhancing the city's residents' livelihoods, include the development of 6 new formal townships, namely Helemisi, Mkosi Township, Ndumbu Township, Ndunja Township, Matonza, Sikunyana Township, upgrading of 2 informal settlements, which is Willem Picha Township and Moneni Township, which has created plots of around 603 plots. Local economic development, significant efforts have directed towards creating and enabling an environment for business to thrive in the city and create job opportunities for the residents and the entire nation. Delivery of 3 PPP projects, which include the Manzini Mall, Manzini Arc, Fairview Mixed Use Shopping. Development of 3 informal trading markets, which is the Trade Hub, Manzini Main Market, and the second-hand clothing market at the bus rank. This facility provides over 2,000 trading spaces combined. Establishment of a Manzini Youth Empowerment Fund, establishment of SMME support program. The city of Manzini has been positioned as the heartbeat of Eswatini. And my vision is to strengthen this position through ensuring Manzini becomes a livable city, economically viable, and becoming a smart city. On behalf of the citizens of Manzini, I wish to convey the sincere appreciation and heartfelt congratulations to His Majesty King Mswati III on his historic milestone of 40 years on the throne. Under your Majesty's visionary leadership, the kingdom has achieved remarkable progress, and Manzini has grown into a vibrant economic and administrative hub, reflecting your commitment and sustainable development in community empowerment. We are deeply grateful, Your Majesty. We are deeply grateful, Your Majesty, for your guidance and support, which has enabled the city to strive and continue serving its residents effectively. We wish Your Majesty's continued good health, wisdom, and strength as you lead the nation towards greater prosperity. Kula Mlisa, bayete wena waphakathi.